Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY, and today we're going to be doing a quick video over how to spice up your website B-roll. So what I'm talking about is like this right here, and if you want to show off a website, it can be pretty boring if it's this on screen. You know, maybe trying to do something with it. So here's a few techniques to try to spice it up. So number one is, let's say you just want to show it as you're talking about it. So maybe, for instance, you're saying, and on AliExpress there is blah, 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 and you're just wanting to show the website to give context. So maybe we go to a scrolling section here. Nice start. Cut off the beginning. This one's pretty easy. So you can go to your effects panel. I'll drag mine right here. And you'll do basic. If you can spell basic right. There you go. Basic. Drag that on. And then I'm going to put this in here with that. Effects control. So now we have the option of swiveling, tilting, and distance to image. We're going to go ahead and tilt it. Let's see if we can't get it leaned back a little bit and then swivel it. And now we're just going to reframe the shot using motion. And voila, if you wanted to show it off and just have it in the background, this would be a little bit more interesting shot. They'd wonder how you did it, possibly. It's just a little bit more appealing than if you have this same shot of a static, flat website every time. But let's say you want to stick with the flat website, you know, you just kind of like that vibe. Well, there's a lot of dead space on the side of this one, so you can just go straight to your clip. You could do this two ways. You could use an opacity and draw it, or you could go here to the crop tool. Crop right here, drop it on, and now I should be able to select the clip, take the left side and pull it in, take the right side, pull it in, and then let's say I just don't want that top part at all. I just want from AliExpress down, awesome, and I don't want the taskbar on the bottom. Well, now I have kind of an ugly shot, so what I'm going to do is just expand it out until it fills the whole screen. And this part was interesting. You take the shot, duplicate it by holding Alt or copy and paste, get a second shot below. We're going to scale this up even further, and then go to your effects panel and add in Gaussian blur. Where is it? Blur and sharpen right there. Put it on the bottom clip, effects control, blurriness up, and now when it plays you'll get this second one in the background. Makes it a little bit more interesting. The third way is just another version of this. We're going to take it, and instead of having this background, you might find something like this on a stock footage website, just something where they have random footage, just kind of loops like this, and you can slot that underneath, and now you have this. You could even choose to instead scale it down and have it like in frame. Maybe you want to write here like Ali. You know, you could write that there in case you didn't have it on screen, what it was. You could put it underneath or wherever. Possibly that's what you want to do. And let's see. And the last thing you can do to spice up your B-roll of a website, if let's say, for instance, we want to show something being searched on the website, is you can just motion track it out. So you start on a shot like this, and as the mouse comes in, let's say you want to follow it to watch it type, but for me, I type really slow, so I would cut this clip, speed it up maybe 150%. And now that I have a shot at the beginning of what I want the thing to start at, I will go ahead and wait till the mouse arrives there, and I will go ahead and hit motion, zoom in, drag up, and zoom again. And let's say after it's typed in, you want to like have it snap back out. You could just start a new clip, or if you wanted to, you could continue rolling the clip, make a new keyframe right where you're about to hit enter, move forward, and reset the shot angle, or possibly bring over your initial angle if you want to kind of line back up. And boom, however you want to do it, whatever you like. So let's watch it now. It would be, type in computer parts, but let's say I still think that's too slow. We can do 200% now that we've done all the keyframing. Type in computer parts and then hit enter, and zooms back out. You can zoom whatever angle you want, but that's just 3 quick ways to spice up your B-roll. Thank you for watching. Hey there, one quick thing I forgot to mention before I end off this video is, don't forget, if you really want to make it look nice, make it sound nice, you can find just whoosh sound effects, the typing sound, anything like that. If you're really trying to keep people engaged and interested, if you're going to do the motion tracking with like typing things out and not just showing it, it can be really effective to add sound to it if you want to keep them invested. Just something I realized I forgot to mention when I was doing the outro. So thank you for sticking through. Take care. Peace.